Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Poughkeepsie, New York, headquarters of the H.O. Penn Machinery Company. For 100 years, H.O. Penn has been dedicated to outstanding customer service in the construction and power generation community. Since its inception in 1923, and still true today, H.O. Penn is proud to provide the Caterpillar equipment and exemplary service that helps their customers succeed. From landscapers to skyscrapers, H.O. Penn is here to provide the equipment that gets the work done. H.O. Penn has 5 full-service facilities throughout New York and Connecticut. The Poughkeepsie, New York operation, originally established with the purchase of Poughkeepsie Farm Supply Company, was moved from Brickyard Hill on Route 44 to its current location in 1968. It was remodeled in 1995 when it became H.O. Penn's corporate headquarters. H.O. Penn employs more than 440 people and is the largest multi-generational heavy equipment distributor in the region. They possess unmatched service expertise in all Caterpillar products and technologies, including condition monitoring and machine guidance systems. The dealership also has a vast inventory of parts and more than 1,000 CAT products available to meet customers' rental equipment needs. H.O. Penn is most proud of their unique competitive advantage, the CAT Certified Rebuild Program. CAT machines are built so well they boast a second and often third useful life. CAT Certified rebuilds are performed at all H.O. Penn locations by the most qualified Caterpillar trained technicians in the industry, and all at a fraction of the cost of a new one. Visit them today at hopenn.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.